No, but there was another one. Did you leave it back there?
I don't know.
Because there were supposed to be 2 little bags of lotion.
Teva, what do you sew?
Nothing, I'm just so happy to have this memory foam pillow.
Seriously, she's been talking about this weeks.
Okay. The memory foam pillow?
Yeah.
You got your little bag like this, right? You already opened it, right?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, that one's
Okay.
How do you got?
Now, that's your little memory jar. Open it up
Okay.
and take the first piece of paper in the middle out. Just slide the first piece of paper in the middle out and read it.
Can you read it out loud?
Read it out loud.
You and your sister will be spending a weekend in Chicago.
Can you finish it?
No.
Finish it.
Hold on, sorry. See One Direction in concert.
Just read it. Just read it.
May your memory jar begin to. Oh, I can't finish it.
Just finish it.
Can't finish it. Love, Dad, and Amy. It's okay.
Can
Now,
you?
what's in the jar?
Now what's in the jar?
Oh no.
Just kidding.
Careful opening that. 4 tickets to see.
One Direction.
Next summer.
Oh.
When the roads are better.
Okay. It's all good.
Are you good?
No.
Are you gonna freak out? You just let it out. Just go. Ah!
So where are the 4 tickets going?
My mom's purse.
No, here, I'll keep them here.
As long as I can take a picture of it and put it on Instagram.
Me too.
So that's
Can
for
you say hi to the camera?
That's for you and for...
I've been recording this the whole time.
Okay.
So has Cody.
Okay. Hi.